Hello children, I hope you have been subscribed to now Sadan Guide Centre. So I feel that you are very comfortable and easy with all the solutions of the NCERT Ganit Prakash. Today we'll see the next topic, the cube. The last class what we have seen about the cube, all the perfect cube we have seen 1 to 20. So and in the today's class we will see about the figure it out, that is exercise 2 from the page number 16 Ganit Prakash. So find the cube roots of 27,000 and 10,648. So now to find the cube, we learned that is by using the prime factorization. So that is by prime factorization. I'll write here. By prime factorization here, what we have to do here first, 27,000 and find the factor. So 3 here, sorry, 3 nines are 27, remaining 3 zeros. Then 3 threes are 9, remaining 3 zeros. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros, right? Then 10 ones are 2 zeros here again. Then 10 ones are 1 0. Then 10 ones are 10. That means here 27,000 can be written as an, that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay. Now this, it is in a pair, that is cube pair, right? So it is in a cube already 3 times. So I'll take here 3 into 10. So 3 into 10 is nothing but 30. Therefore cube root of 27,000 is equal to 30. Okay children, so same way we will solve it for the second one, that is first second 10,648. Again by using the prime, as in by prime factorization here, right? So now here the prime factorization, what we have done in the previous one, that is same way you have to solve it. So that is 10,648. Yeah, we'll go with the 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Next, 2 2s are 4, carry 1 5, 2 6s are 12, carry 1 13, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So, and this it cannot be go. We know that 11 cube is nothing but this one. So directly you can do with the 11. 11 1s 11, 2 carry, 11 2s are 22, carry 1, 23, 11 1s 11. Then again 11 1s 11, 12 carry 1, then 11 1s 11. Next 11 1s 11. So therefore 10,648 is equal to, again here make a cube, into 11 into 11 into 11. That is, I'm making a pair cube here now, that is 2 into 11, which it becomes 2 into 11 is nothing but what? That is 22. Therefore again cube root of 10,648 is equal to 22. I hope you understood with both the problems. Same like how we have done in the square, it's like same here cube. There only pair were there, 2 square pair, here cube pair also. That's all. Okay children, thank you.